Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power 3 minus x equals 17 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I am going to follow index rule, that is a power n plus m. We can write it as a power n times a power m. And second rule is a power negative n. We can write it as 1 by a power n. So let's apply these rules. So first this 2 power x plus 1 becomes 2 power x times 2 power 1. And this 2 power 3 minus x becomes 2 power 3 times 2 power minus x equals 17. Now 2 power x times 2 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times this 2 power negative x. We can write it as 1 by 2 power x equals 17. So 2 times 2 power x plus 8 by 2 power x equals 17. Now I am going to take a substitution, that is let 2 power x equal u. So let's substitute. So 2u plus 8 by u equals 17. Now if I'll take LCM, so it's become 2u square plus 8 equals 17. So 2u square plus 8 equals 17u, we can say. So 2u square minus 17u plus 8 equals 0. Now it's a quadratic equation, so we can write this negative 17 as negative 16u, negative u plus 8 equals 0. Now if I'll take the 2u common from first two digits, so what is left? U minus 8. And if I'll take negative 1 as common, u minus 8 equals 0. Now if I'll take the u minus 8 as common, so what is left? 2u minus 1 equals 0. So first is u minus 8 equals 0. So u equal positive 8. And when 2u minus 1 equals 0, 2u equal 1 and u equal 1 by 2. So now let's recall, we have taken a substitution. So 2x equal u. So 2x equal 8. So 2 power x equal, we can write it as 2 power 3. Now if we compare both sides, x equal 3 in this case. Now 2 power x equal u. So 2 power x equal 1 by 2. So 2 power x equal, we can write it as 2 power minus 1 this. If we compare both sides, the value of x is negative 1. So what are the two values of x? 3 and negative 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.